Hey guys, let's see how you can connect your Tapo camera to your iPhone. It's super simple. You just need to use the Tapo app. I have the Tapo app here, but if you don't, you just need to come to the App Store. Look here for the Tapo app. So just enter here Tapo. And remember that you just need to look for TP-Link Tapo, okay? That's the one. Just download this app, create your account. It's a free account. You can use your email, create a password, then you just open and log in. I already logged in here, so I have this Tapo app already working with a lot of devices. And the first time that you come here, you're gonna see a big button asking you to add a new device, all right? Or you can come here to the top and hit this plus signal and add a new device. My camera is on, as you can see here. It's connected to power. So just need to plug the camera to the power supply that comes with it, and then you just put it here and observe the LED. It should be flashing red and green. Okay, then you can continue with the setup here with your Tapo app and add a new device. If your camera is not flashing like this, you just need to move the lens up, all the way up, press this button here for 30 seconds and reset your camera. Just press and hold until you see the LED flashing here red pretty fast, and the camera is going to tell you that's being reset, right? As long as you have flashing like this, you're good to go. Red and green, it's flashing, okay? So continuing here, you can just select the camera. This is an indoor camera, so you just tap here indoor, look for the camera, Tapo C220. There we go. And then you just follow the instructions here. It's flashing, so continue here. Now you need to connect your phone to the camera's signal. It's not to the router, it's to the camera signal. So that'll be Tapo _ cam something. So you come here to your Wi-Fi and look for the signal. You see that's here. You just keep switching location here, but you just need to look for it. There we go, Tapo _ cam something. Just select this one, and then it's going to connect, and you come back here to your app, and you're gonna follow this animation. The camera is connecting to the cell phone. Now the cell phone can tell the camera which router to connect to and the password to use. You see here that I have my router. You can just come here and hit reselect, and you can find all the routers available. Just choose yours and give the password, hit next, confirm.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There you go, hear the message, Wi-Fi connected. And then you're gonna observe here the LED is going to change from red to green. That'll be steady green, okay? Then you can continue here, name your camera. There we go. Select a location, select an icon. You hear this chime, you see that changes here to green, and it's complete. It sounds good, okay? I'm just put the camera back there so you can see something nice. And it sounds good. Here's the 30-day trial. You can just use the 30-day trial to record into the cloud, but the camera can also record here into the SD card, right? You can insert the SD card there and record. I have another video here in the channel where I show how to insert the SD card, format it, and record there. So I'm gonna dismiss this, and then here's the SD card part. It's explaining the type of SD card that you can use. Got it. And here's the firmware update. It's going to update from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. I hit got it here, and the camera is working. See here, Tapo C220 working. Let me just mute the camera here, otherwise I'm gonna hear a sound loop here. But the camera is basically working. I can control it from here, just using my iPhone. Super simple. Then I can just do this, see here, and watch that way. It works pretty fine, okay? And from here I can explore everything available here in the menu. Like I can just take a screenshot, record locally, talk to somebody close to the camera and hear them, control the pan and tilt, and enable the privacy mode here so it blocks the camera. And I can also play back and download everything that's recorded here in the camera, and here I can check all the options available here in the user menu, right? You can just explore here and see what's available. I have another video here also in the channel, a review video that I show everything working, right? So hope that helps. That's the way you can have your Tapo C220 working on your iPhone. And so leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.